We will now look at the bulk import functionality. The main reasons for the bulk import is to assist an employer with a large number of employees to complete the information on a manual Excel template offline in order for them to upload it onto Indicium once all information has been gathered and completed on the Excel template. Please take note of the sections available for the bulk import. The bulk importing of data is only applicable to the following AgriSeta form sets. For large organizations, 50 and more employees, ATR forms E1, E2 and E3, and for WSP forms I1, I2 and L. For smaller organizations with less than 50 employees, the following applies. ATR form C5 and WSP form D8. Let's take a look at how to access and use the bulk import function on Indicium. Go to the relevant form. In this example, we will use form E1. Click on Select. The bulk import button is next to the Add button. The following screen will appear once you click on the bulk import button. Click on Download Excel Template. The system will download the document at the bottom of the screen. Now open the Excel template. If requested, click on Enable Editing. It is important to note, the spreadsheet will have 3 rows or lines of data as examples on how to complete the sheet. Please remember to remove these 3 rows before completing or uploading. Lines 1 to 3 must be left as they are and not edited or removed. The user must start at line 4 when capturing the data. Please use only the values in the drop-downs where applicable. Any other values will not be allowed during the imports. All values on the drop-downs can be seen on screen now. The drop-down list will contain the information relevant to the specific section on Indicium. Ensure the race, age, and gender breakdowns correspond. Once all the data has been completed, save the Excel document on your computer. Now we will look at importing the data. Click on Choose File. Search for the document from your documents on your computer. Click on the document and then click on Open. The page will automatically be displayed. Please note, wait for the document to be highlighted in green. This will mean the document is successfully attached. If you get a red highlight, the document is not attached correctly and the process needs to be repeated. Click on Import. Please note, some Excel templates will have thousands of rows of data. Depending on the amount of data, the system will either take 5 seconds or a minute or 2, so please be patient. Once uploaded, the user will see the data displayed at the bottom. To ensure all data is imported, a report is available. Open up the report by clicking on the blue hyperlink. The report will show the successful and unsuccessful records. Only those records with an error can be redone and re-imported. Let's take a look at troubleshooting errors from the exception report. After every import done on the forms, a report is generated with a list of records that successfully imported and those that did not. After opening the report, scroll to the far right columns to see error messages per row. Please refer to the bulk import manual for further assistance on this process. Let's discuss the error types. Number 1. Race gender totals does not match age group totals. This error is known to occur on form G1 and G2. This error means that you have captured number per demographic and gender, but have not divided the number into age groups. If you have captured 10 colored males on a row, you have to state how many in an age group. For example, age group less than 35 equals 4, age group 35 to 54 equals 4, and age above 55. 2. This will give you a total of 10 per age. Please note, this is purely for example purposes only. The second type of error is major cluster learning program combination does not exist. This error occurs on the following forms, Form I1 and I2. This error means that the major cluster and learning programs have not been captured, as it appears on Form H1. Should you update the major cluster and program information and re-upload, this information will upload successfully. Make sure that the combination is exactly as it appears on Form H1 before uploading details. And lastly, ensure the information is captured as per the example. And the last error, record exists. This means the record has already been uploaded onto Indicium.